God is saying to you today, the week ahead will be filled with amazing and wonderful blessings that will bring miraculous changes to your life. Like this video if you believe God. Trust the universe. The wait is over. Something amazing is coming for you. Raise your vibration and let it flow. Your blessings are on the way. Are you ready? Type yes if you're ready. Don't worry about anything. Instead, pray about everything. Tell God what you need and thank Him for all He has done. Whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. Positive thoughts. Feed your mind with positive thoughts today, and you will have a week of success. When you set yourself up for a good week, you will find that things will fall into place exactly how you want them to. It is up to you to tell yourself how you want this week to go. It is another day, which means more blessings, more opportunities, and more positivity to share. There is absolutely no need to rush anything. The universe is aligning all of your dreams and goals with perfect timing. Prepare yourself, for you're going to be so confused as to why everything is going your way, but just be happy. Interact 4 times to claim. Accept it. What will be, will be. Know that it will work out exactly how it needs to for you. Don't put too much pressure on yourself, and know that the outcome will be the best one for you in the long run, even if it may not feel like it at the time. You'll soon be surprised and grateful for how everything happened the way it did for you to receive better and greater. It's all adding up in your favor. Trust the process and how things are unfolding for you. Affirm. My energy is cleaned. All blocks are removed. My vibes are up. I am so powerful. I am so blessed. Type yes to affirm. Relax. You have a good heart and pure intentions. Things will always end up working out in your favor. Dear child, welcome to a new chapter of your life, a special phase filled with endless possibilities. I have the power to completely turn your life around, taking you from financial struggle to wealth and abundance. Before this week comes to an end, I want to shower you with blessings. You will receive abundance, good health, joy, and happiness. Just as I created heaven in 6 days and rested on the 7th, I can change your life in just a few minutes, so watch this video till end to receive my divine blessings. 555. You will experience an amazing overflow of the love, healing, and prosperity you truly deserve today. All of your difficulties and issues will be resolved in stunning ways if you trust in God's power. Type 555 if you trust in God's miracles. God is going to transfer healing, answers, breakthroughs, and life-changing blessings to you. Don't give up. Do whatever it takes to make you happy. As long as it doesn't destroy anyone else's happiness in the process, take all opportunities to go for it. The longer you wait, the further away your goals and dreams will be. What are you waiting for? Go for it today. Things are going to be turned in your favor. People that were against you all of a sudden will be for you. Ideas, creativity, promotion, contracts are going to come into your hands. The quality of your thinking determines the quality of your life. Make some time today to put more effort into something that you really want. Picture what it is in your mind. Allow your feelings of excitement and eagerness to take over. Take a leap of faith to get that one step closer to reaching your dream.